Really enjoyed the workshop, which was split into two segments, painting and throwing. The space is really comfortable and the staff are friendly and patient. Second time back, we'll be happy to come a third time. Excellent activity. Relaxing and amazing experience. The staffs are super friendly and approachable, giving guidance and motivation to sculpt the pottery of your liking. Recommended for both families, friends and couples for a fun and interesting activity. It was a really fun experience and would totally go for it again. This would be our first time trying wheel throwing, and the guided session was easy to follow and very helpful. The staff there were incredible and friendly. Would definitely recommend. It was a great experience. Facilitators were very nice and accommodating. We were late for about 20 minutes, but they still let us in for the session, even though it was the last session of the day. Clear instructions were given during the session, and facilitators will help to take pics and videos on the session. There are options to hand paint the finished product or get them to paint and glaze for you. Additional $5 for DIY hand paint. Be prepared to go back another session for DIY hand paint. Or else just choose your preferred color from their selection of colors, can be two-toned, and wait 2 to 3 months to collect as the items needs to go through firing. Additional $10 for firing, per item. The session was interesting. The staff was helpful and patient in guiding us, a group of 6, to create, select color and style for our creation. Our first pottery and the end product looks nice. Even though need to wait for a few months for the end product to be ready. It was a wonderful and relaxing time spent at the workshop. Learned about how pottery is done. Simple cup and bowl for the first try in my life. You will need to separately pay $10 per piece for firing and glazing. And additional $5 if you want to paint on it.